Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven, just giving you another Tuesday tip. I'm going to follow up in relation to rug cleaning. I did a Tuesday tip a little while ago with rug cleaning, about cleaning the backs, etc. We've got another rug here, and this one is a bit of odour control. Unfortunately, you can't smell this rug, but me and Dan can smell it, and it is as high as anything. There's a lovely British bulldog called Winston who loves this rug, and it's his favourite rug. However, due to his odours and stuff like that, it's leaving a lot of smells on the rug. So what we've done here this time, as before, we've hoovered back and front of the rug, and what we've done additionally now, we've treated it with a odour neutraliser. Because of the odours and grease from the dog's coat, gets into the rug, and it really leaves quite a penetrating, strong odour. So again, we've hoovered back and front several times to get rid of the loose soil. We've then treated the back with an odour neutraliser, and we've cleaned the back as well. And we're now in the process of cleaning the front here. I think the sun might have come out and this just might spoil it, but here you can see where we're cleaning here. We've treated it with a pre-spray, an odour neutraliser, but we've started to clean this side of the carpet, and you can see the silver now coming out, whereas here you can see the dirt, etc. And it is quite heavily soiled in that area. So again, Tuesday tip, make sure that when you clean your rugs or you do your normal hoovering, hoover back and front, and you've got to do it on a regular occasion, because as I say, if you've got pets, they're lying on the rug, their odours, the hair, etc. Gets tangled up, especially with a long pile rug like this. So if you've got any queries, or if we can help, just give us a call on 01327 342 594. Many thanks.